We're here at Scrapin The Coast, y'all. We're really here at Scrapin The Coast, like with the real Scrapin The Coast. Y'all look, we finally made it to the Coliseum. I told y'all gonna make it for y'all. They got some nice stuff out here, y'all. I'm trying to see how we get over there. They tell me we gotta go over to this building and pay. Then I think that led us to the whole field. I hope everybody didn't leave. It seemed kind of shallow, which I know it is early. But don't want to get over there. They got some nice trucks I do want to see. I had to go put my what's it called? I think that's D-Hawk right there. That's a nice truck, kind of like mine. But we about to go see what we gotta do to get over there. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Shit is crazy. Like, this shit is crazy. Like, this shit is hard as fuck. Look at this old school, yo. That be nice. That's crazy. So that's a real Hot Wheel. I wouldn't even want to drive this stuff, y'all. They got so much crazy stuff up in here. They got the F Super Duty F-150. That was so hard. Bro, I want one of these so bad, bro. These bitches so hard. Look at the paint on this bitch. Oh shit, it will crank up. Dang. Oh, that's yours? You got a sick paint job on it.
Thank you, man.
What, you got YouTube or anything?
No, I've got an Instagram. That's about it.
You mind signing your Instagram out?
It's the_Medea_.
Okay, nice to meet you. Play by bar. Yes, sir. Oh, this truck is sick. Look at the speakers on the back of it. Y'all go follow him. Oh, this truck is sick. Like, damn. Wow. Colossal 6'7". How would you even get in this bitch, bro? This shit is sick. Like, I'm not even, like, the fender is not even. That is crazy. That's sick. Lights on his shit. Oh, that's sick. That's a limited edition. They got the wheel light. He won 2020. He got the Super Duty. Northern Georgia lighting. He got the wheel lights on his stuff. I think that's the old school Ford right here. He got the wheel lights, the star lights. Oh, that shit's sick. Not gonna lie. But he getting some footage of this truck. I seen that on the trailer last night. Neat. Like, it's so dark up in there, bro. He gotta have 0 tint. Bro, that's sick. His sound system, bro. Now look at this, bro. What the freak? Oh, he be hauling stuff on his stuff. Y'all, they got some sick truck. They from Alabama. His stuff's sick. That's a Sierra. But this one is hard. I had never seen nothing like this before. That is crazy. I had never seen nothing like this before. Bro, what is this? What the? This like a whole car. But it's like it's a Can-Am, bro. Yo, I never seen a Can-Am like this. I never seen a Can-Am like this. This is crazy. That's crazy. That's like this stuff's sick. Like, they got some stuff up in here, bro. This bit hard right here. Y'all, I said in like 2 years, bro, or less, I'm gonna have all this. I'm gonna have one of these things up in here, bro. This shit crazy. Oh, that's D. I think that's D Hall. Yup. That's D Hall stuff. Thumbnail. Derek Hall truck. He just got this bitch, y'all. Like, he just got this bitch. He just posted it. This is new little. He used to have a F-150 like mine, but he just got this new bill. His bill sick. He got the bags. That bitch just popped on. What the hell? That bitch just crunk up. But he got it to match his football team color. Oh shit. What up, bro? Good. Bit. He just got that bit. Yeah, this matching his football team colors. And he can't even get up that bit. He gotta. So we out this bit. Well, y'all just seen millage, but we about to go get some more footage over here. Yeah, they got some stupid bills over this bit though. I don't know if I should walk on the carpet. Okay, I'm getting mad. But yeah, this bit is crazy. Like, that is crazy. That's millage stuff right here. This stuff is sick. I ain't gonna lie, this one hard as fuck. Y'all, this is stupid. I never. Oh, he got the one with the back, bro. How the fuck would you? You can't even. This. I feel like this is illegal to drive on the road. He got the. Look how big his freaking wheels is, bro. That's crazy. His wheels is crazy. That is stupid.
Put your sandwich.
Y'all, this is a crazy build, bro. I never seen a truck this big, bro. That's crazy. Y'all, this is a crazy build, bro. Like, this is stupid. Like, I think that's this big. What the fuck? Bro, what the? This is, I never seen nothing like. Y'all don't even know how to, like, this is so much bigger in person. Like, yo, look at this. This is so much bigger in person. Y'all, like, this is unbelievable. Like, this is stupid. Look at the running board. I know that I assume this thing really.
Oh shit. We got real. How you start recording? Oh. What's going on? Magic Mike in that thing. Show him the seat. Oh, you had it reclined. Oh, you had it reclined. Oh, okay. What you got to say?
Mega cab.
Mega cab. This. Yeah, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. We at the show.
DC Young Fly with the camera.
Yeah. DC Young Fly, man, in this thing, man. Big muscle. We got the trucks out here. Nah, that Miami truck goes stupid though.
All right, bro. What's up, man? I'm Donald Sanders from Mississippi. This is Beast. I'm Beast. This is my Beast. It's a lifted truck on 30s. Purple and gray. Inside. Come take a look inside.
They be hard on the inside. I like the panoramic sunroof. It came like that? Or you did it on yourself?
Yeah, and all this came like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, custom seats, gray, heated cool seats.
Yeah, that be hard. I really like the TVs you got back here though.
Oh, thanks, bro. Thanks.
And where you say you from again?
Gloucester, Mississippi.
That's about.
4 JL towers on the back. 4 JL towers on the back.
Oh yeah, them be hard. I didn't even notice that. That be hard. I know this not your daily driver, huh?
No.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
not my daily driver.
How long you had it for?
Oh, a couple months.
Oh yeah. I like it though. You got Instagram or anything?
Yeah, man.
Search your Instagram out.
My Beats 48 DS.
All right,
Facebook, Donald Sanders.
All right, nice to meet you. Play
Same
with bar.
here, man.
I'm gonna show you my channel. It's gonna be on. They got some hard ass trucks over there. These trucks y'all I didn't get. He got TVs in the back of that bit. Not gonna lie, that bit hard. Fuck.
Everyone, close your eyes, werewolf, look at and look for other werewolves. If there is only one werewolf, you
Oh, y'all can't even see the paint. Y'all go subscribe to our YouTube channel or Instagram, TikTok. That'd be hard. Huh? Oh shit. That'd be hard. That's your stuff right here?
That's hers.
Oh, this yours? Sort your stuff out. I say sort your tags and stuff out. Like Instagram, YouTube.
Yeah, everything's Ruby D-Max. On TikTok, Instagram, all that. Or you can have the Snap, Ava_CHI. And yeah, that's my coffee back there.
So y'all together and stuff?
No, I have my own truck. It's hers.
So you whipping around and stuff? I see you be whipping around and
Oh
stuff?
yeah, and then we have my other truck.
Drives it like a Honda
Damn.
Civic.
I
Damn.
daily drive. I built it.
That's dope. How old are you?
21.
Oh, that's dope. You be doing YouTube and stuff?
No, not yet, but I'm just alone.
Oh, yeah. Where y'all from? Y'all drove all the way down here?
10 hours.
Dang, that's crazy. But nice to meet y'all though. My name is Barry.
What's your YouTube?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'll take a picture because I got no service.
All right.
I think I actually seen that.
You on the map with my fam on my back. What he thought? He thought she was out on my league. What he thought? He thought that go took a loss. I'm tryna see what he thought. Hop on that motherfucking beat. When I hop on the beat, I'ma ride on the beat, I'ma slide. Bad bitch right in my lap, and I hit from the back, and I'm beating it good till she tired. I put the unit on the map with my fam on my back, and I keep a big Glock on my side. Niggas, they call me Usain, cause I'm running the game, and I'm running it bit with a stride. I made it through all the obstacles. Like Kim, I showed them it's possible. Like Tim.
look at what it do.
Walk in the spot, looking extra fly, that boy gon' testify. Bad little bitch, lick her chest and thighs, I like her sexy eyes. Yeah, they switch, but ain't no running back, no, ain't no coming back. My old bitch, boy, I'm done with that, you can't have fun with that. I'm in the mall, my new hoe. In New Orleans, we shopping at Nouveau. Lace front, she ain't rockin' no new grow. That's my shorty, I swear this shit too cold. I know pussy ass boy wanna try me. Pop his top, now he hood to an IV. Shit, I never back down, put the straps down, now I rock you like I Ali. Man, this rap shit too easy for real. Put me on the beat every time I'ma kill. These niggas pussy, they fake for real. He a pig boy, he bring home the bacon for real. I never dealt with the hatred for real. My mind on the money, I'm chasing the meal. Got on my grind and made it for real. All it took for the goat was some patience for real. Bitch, I'm a beast and I know it and show it. I hop on these beats and I sound like a